How to add IDM extension in Google Chrome. Hello and welcome back to Digi Live Trends. In this video I'm going to show you how to add IDM extension in Google Chrome. IDM is a fantastic tool that enhances your downloading experience, allowing you to easily grab files from the internet at lightning fast speeds. So let's start the video. To add IDM extension for Google Chrome, on your system, open the Google Chrome browser, and then type Chrome Store. Then select Extension, which is shown on your system screen. Now in Search Extensions and Themes search IDM. Then select Internet Download Manager Integration Module. Click on Add to Chrome. Now your IDM extension is added to your Google Chrome browser. Now, open the Extensions tab. Then here find the IDM extension, and tap on the pin. Now, you have the Internet Download Manager Integration Module in Google Chrome browser. This is the easiest method to add IDM extension in Google Chrome. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please hit like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you soon in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.